Top 6 vitamins to repair nerves damage. Nerve damage, also known as neuropathy, can result from various causes such as injury, diabetes, infections, or certain medical conditions. It can lead to symptoms like pain, numbness, tingling, weakness, or loss of sensation in the affected area. Depending on the nerves involved and the extent of damage, it can impact motor function, sensation, and autonomic nervous system control, causing difficulties in movement, coordination, and bodily functions. Treatment varies based on the underlying cause, and may involve medications, physical therapy, or in some cases, surgery. In this video, we will discover top 6 vitamins that can help repair nerves damage. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, an essential water-soluble vitamin, plays a pivotal role in nerve repair and maintenance. Its primary function involves the synthesis of myelin, a protective sheath covering nerve fibers. Myelin ensures the efficient transmission of nerve impulses throughout the body. This vitamin is also essential for the formation of red blood cells, which transport oxygen to nerve cells, supporting their function and vitality. Deficiency in B12 can result in a condition known as peripheral neuropathy, causing tingling sensations, numbness, and weakness in the extremities. Over time, severe deficiency may lead to irreversible nerve damage. Individuals at risk of B12 deficiency include vegetarians, vegans, older adults, and those with certain gastrointestinal disorders that hinder B12 absorption. To obtain sufficient B12, consuming animal-derived products such as meat, fish, dairy, and eggs is essential. For individuals with dietary restrictions, B12 supplements or fortified foods can serve as viable alternatives. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6, or pyridoxine, is involved in numerous biochemical reactions, particularly in the nervous system. It serves as a cofactor for enzymes responsible for neurotransmitter synthesis, including serotonin, dopamine, and GABA. These neurotransmitters are vital for relaying signals between nerves and regulating mood, cognition, and various bodily functions. Moreover, B6 contributes to the production of myelin, the protective coating around nerve fibers, ensuring smooth and effective nerve impulse transmission. A deficiency in B6 can result in nerve-related symptoms, such as peripheral neuropathy, characterized by numbness, tingling, and muscle weakness. You can eat foods rich in B6, like poultry, fish, nuts, seeds, and whole grains, aid in maintaining adequate levels of this essential vitamin. Vitamin B1, thiamine. Thiamine, or vitamin B1, is an essential nutrient in the B vitamin complex, is crucial for nerve function and energy production. It participates in the metabolism of carbohydrates, converting them into energy that cells, including nerve cells, utilize for various functions. Thiamine deficiency can lead to beriberi, a condition characterized by nerve damage, muscle weakness, cardiovascular problems, and mental confusion. As nerves require energy to function correctly, the role of thiamine in ATP, adenosine triphosphate, production is particularly important for maintaining nerve health. Dietary sources of vitamin B1 include whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, pork, and fortified cereals. Vitamin D. Vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, is crucial for nerve repair and growth. It is involved in promoting nerve regeneration by stimulating the production of neurotrophic factors, which aid in nerve development and repair. Additionally, vitamin D regulates calcium levels in the body, which are essential for proper nerve function. Calcium ions play a crucial role in nerve signal transmission. Deficiency in vitamin D can contribute to nerve-related issues, and is associated with conditions like multiple sclerosis, MS, and peripheral neuropathy. The simple way to obtain an ideal amount of vitamin D is to soak up the sun's rays in the early hours of the day, but you can also eat fortified foods such as milk and cereals, fatty fish such as salmon and tuna, egg yolks, and supplements. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects nerves from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. Its role in nerve health involves preserving the integrity of cell membranes, which is crucial for nerve function. The nervous system is particularly susceptible to oxidative damage due to its high metabolic rate and the generation of reactive oxygen species. Vitamin E helps maintain the structural integrity of nerves and supports their proper functioning. Deficiency in vitamin E may result in nerve damage and neurological symptoms. Dietary sources of vitamin E include nuts, almonds, hazelnuts, seeds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, vegetable oils, sunflower oil, wheat germ oil, spinach, and fortified cereals. Vitamin C. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is essential for nerve health due to its involvement in collagen synthesis. Collagen is a structural protein that provides support and structure to various tissues in the body, including nerves. It plays a vital role in the formation and maintenance of nerve structure, contributing to their strength and flexibility. Additionally, vitamin C acts as an antioxidant, protecting nerves from oxidative damage and supporting their regeneration and repair processes. Deficiency in vitamin C can impair the synthesis of collagen, leading to weakened nerve structures and potential nerve-related issues. To keep an optimal level of vitamin C in the body, eat citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, strawberries, kiwi, peppers, broccoli, and tomatoes. These 6 vitamins play vital roles in maintaining nerve health and aiding in nerve repair processes. Adequate intake of these vitamins, through a balanced diet or supplementation, may support nerve function, protect against damage, and contribute to nerve repair mechanisms. However, it's essential to consult healthcare professionals before initiating any supplementation, especially for individuals with existing health conditions or undergoing specific treatments. A balanced diet rich in these vitamins, along with healthy lifestyle choices, forms the foundation for promoting nerve health and repair. It's crucial to address individual nutritional needs, especially for those with existing nerve-related conditions or dietary restrictions, to ensure optimal nerve health and function. I trust that you enjoyed the content, and click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, enable notifications, and share the video with your friends and family.